I dance to the fires that burn within. I dance to the tears that never fall. I dance to the opportunities that never begin, where hollow cries meet iron walls. I dance to the stories that are never told. I dance to the words that are never uttered. When mothers cry while children lay cold, I dance behind eyes veiled and shuttered. I dance to the sound of the rain as it pours, flooding these streets with rays of dark. I dance to the pain that won't hurt anymore. I dance to the beat of a lifeless heart. I can't read or write or comprehend these thoughts, so I dance, because when I do, every bridge is crossed. I dance and every obstacle falls at my feet. I dance, and in my mind I escape from these streets. I'm tired of hearing that I'm never no good. I'm tired of standing still because circumstances say I should. I'm tired of speaking and never being heard. So right now, as I dance, I am free from this burden. I dance to the rhythm of drums that are silent. I dance to the rhythm of flowers turned violent. I dance to the rhythm of friends long gone. I dance to the dreams that will never be found. I dance to the rhythm of days gone by. I dance to the rhythm of the starless sky. I dance to the rhythm of the blood as it pounds. I dance to the rhythm 6 feet underground. I dance to the rhythm of the sea, crashing against the sand. I dance to the rhythm, and that's all I am. I dance to the rhythm of my feet and of my hands. I dance to the rhythm that few will ever understand. Why do I dance? I dance, I dance, I dance, because I can.